Yo guys, how's it going? And welcome to this video today. What I'm going to be teaching you is how you can make $10,000 per month posting on social media. Seriously. Now this may seem too good to be true, but I promise you after this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start earning money today by posting on social media. And if you're new around here, make sure to drop a comment below if you found some value in this video and subscribe as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. So what is the business model? Because what we're going to be going through here is a business, right? This is a real way to make money online. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not some sort of fad quick way to make money that isn't sustainable. This is a real long-term business model that I have managed to build to 6 figures, and I know several other people out there have been able to scale up to 6 figures per year in earnings. And what is the business model called? Well, it's called social media management. So what is social media management and why would they pay you? So as the title states, you're going to be getting paid to post on social media. Well, social media management does what it says on the tin. You get paid to manage businesses and people's social media accounts, okay? Very, very simple. Post captions, post photos, post images, maybe grow the accounts, and businesses will pay you to do this every single month. Now, the question I always get asked is, Brad, why would businesses pay you? Well, think about it this way. If businesses do not have a social media presence in the 21st century, they do not exist, okay? I don't know about you, but there's billions and billions of people around the world that use social media every single month, okay? So if you are a business and you do not have a social media presence and you don't have a social media page, you basically do not exist. The amount of times, if I'm looking for a restaurant, I will go onto Instagram or I'll go onto Facebook and search for restaurants, look for reviews. Okay, the amount of business, that companies have got from me out of social media is huge. And I know that you would have done the same thing. Okay, so if you're a business right now and there's millions out there that do not have a social media presence, you are losing a lot of money. And these companies are losing a ton of money by not having a social media presence. The second thing, business owners are too busy to do it themselves. Now, you got to understand a lot of these business owners have to run their whole company, right? They have to deal with employees, they have to deal with stock, earning money, the accounts, customers, all sorts of things like that, as well as other marketing efforts. Now, when that's the case, social media ends up on the back burner because it takes a lot of time. For someone who doesn't really know what they're doing, social media can take up a lot of time. And for a business owner that's got a million things going on, they may not just, as much as they may want to do social media, as much as they may believe in social media, a lot of the time they're simply just too busy to do it themselves. Number 3, they do not understand social media. Nowadays, with the millennials, earning money online is becoming a new trend. It's a thing that a lot of new business owners, people aged 17, 16, 18 years old, coming online and making money online. But you got to understand, a lot of the time, 20, 30 years ago, if you owned a company, it would be a brick and mortar company. So a lot of the business owners that run these restaurants, spas, dental consultants, people like this, these are generally older people. They may not be 16, 17, 18, and they probably didn't grow up with social media. That means if maybe you're older and you understand social media, or if you're like me, I'm 24 years old. I know a lot of people who are 15, 16, 17 who make money doing this. And the reason they can do that is because they understand social media. They've been brought up using social media. Where a lot of these business owners who are a little bit older and run brick and mortar companies, they generally do not have a clue how it works. And then finally, another reason businesses are happy to pay you for this is because it is a lot cheaper than hiring in-house. I'm going to go through how you can get paid and how much to charge in just a minute. But I want you to understand, if business, obviously this depends on what country and where you are, but if we use the UK as an example and say something like London, right? If a company were to hire an in-house social media manager, they're probably looking at £2,000, £3,000, £4,000 a month to pay that employee, to get them on payroll. And on top of that, they've got to pay all sorts of other yearly bonuses, staff costs, they've got obviously costs to run their office. It can cost a lot of money to hire in-house. Whereas, as you'll see in a minute, You can charge a lot cheaper than £2,000, £3,000, £4,000 a month to do this. Therefore, it works out cheaper for them to pay you to do it than to hire someone full-time in-house. So an average business will pay you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month for this service. Per business, per month. So this is what's crazy. Again, I don't know how much you're earning right now. Maybe you've got a business, maybe you don't. Maybe you're a college student. But before I started my online business, I was working a dead-end job and I was earning about $1,500 per month. Now, with one or two clients, that would have completely, and it did, supplement my income, allowing me to quit my job. So all you would need is a couple of clients because the retainers are so high and you can do this full time. And like I said, all of a sudden, if you're new to this business model, $500 to $1,000 may seem like a lot to get paid to simply post on social media. But compared to hiring someone in-house on payroll, paying them $2,000, $3,000, £4,000 a month, all of a sudden $500 to $1,000 is a lot cheaper. And at the end of the day, you're going to be bringing customers through their door. So this isn't really a cost for them. It's more so an investment, because if you're able to blow up their social media presence, post content, be in front of their customers every single day, they're going to make more money off the back of that. Okay. And what's really good about this business model as well is this is a per month business model. They don't pay you $500 once and then you run it for the year. You get paid every single month. So maybe if you're a graphic designer and you go and do a one-off job, you might get paid $100 and you did the one-off job. But the issue is next month, next week, you've still got to go and find more get more customers, get more clients to pay your bills. What happens a lot of the time when you get a social media management client, you get a business that pays you, they will stay with you between several months to a year and several years. I've had some of my clients to stay with me for years and years and years because of the service I provide. Now, that's very, very safe and consistent income for me, which is, it's not just, you make $10,000 in a month once. If you build up to that $10,000 per month mark, you will earn that every single month consistently, providing you don't lose the clients. So how do you find these clients? It is simple. Freelance websites. I've got a few here for you to look out. There's Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Envato Studio, Guru, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelance.com, Tasker.in, Staff.com, and several other ones that haven't even been listed on here for you to go and check out. But the best, without a doubt, is Upwork. And I've filmed a short video now. I'm going to hop into my computer and show you exactly how to do that. Okay, guys, I'm inside of my computer right now and I'm on Upwork.com. Very, very simple process. Like I said, this could not be easier. You need no money to start. So first things first, go to Upwork.com. You want to create an account as a freelancer. Set yourself up, set your profile up, set yourself as a social media manager, social media expert, social media marketer, anything like that. This video isn't about me going in and telling you how to create a profile. It's really, really simple to do. A simple YouTube search or Google search will bring up some examples and exactly how you do that. So go ahead and create that. Once you've got everything set up, this is what your screen will look like. So inside of Upwork here, you want to type social media management into the top bar up here. Okay. Because social media management is the type of jobs we want to look for. As I said, there is so much potential here to make money. There's almost 5,500 jobs posted of companies looking for social media managers. So this is just proof of exactly how easy this can be. So if you go down and have a little look here, these jobs are posted very regularly, 6 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, 26 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. And this is all day, every single day. Now, all of these jobs aren't going to be a right fit, but our job now is to go and find the jobs that are a good fit. So, social media manager for Instagram. That there looks like a good potential job. We are looking to hire a professional social media manager who can manage our Instagram page. And then they've left the name of it. Simple as that. They are looking for a professional social media manager who can manage our Instagram page. They are literally wanting somebody to run their Instagram page. It is as simple as that. So in this scenario, what I would do is click submit proposal. It's then going to ask you for a cover letter, which you would then write out, name some of your skills and name how you can help and apply to the job. Go back again. Marketing and business developer, we're not looking for that. Simple sales funnel, no. We're looking for active Facebook group admins or moderators. So this person is looking for somebody to moderate their Facebook group, someone to go in and reply to comments, maybe like posts. Super, super simple and easy to do that you can do from your mobile phone or from behind your computer. Again, click on this job and you can submit a proposal. Now, some jobs on Upwork are very low budget. Like this one here is only $50. That's probably too small for us, so I would back out and I wouldn't apply for that. Look, need a social media management expert with detailed plans to take care of our social media management for our business. Perfect, I would apply for that job. Long-term VA wanted with experience in social media promotion and very good English skills. Fantastic, apply for the job. Sales and marketing expert, probably not for us. Looking for an Instagram influencer, no. Facebook memes for social media with landing pages. So I'm pretty sure they're just looking for someone to post memes on their social media account, okay, to help get viral traffic and things like that. Easy job. And look, guys, this is all within the last 1 hour. So imagine if you did this every single day. You came in every single day and you applied for jobs, looked for jobs. And obviously right now we're just looking at social media management, but if you just type in social media, you're going to get an even broader search pop up. So here is 11 and almost 12,000 jobs have come up. So go through every single day and just try and find jobs that are a good fit. Shopify and social media manager to work with on a monthly basis and update my social media. Very simple. They're looking for somebody to update their social media, write posts. It doesn't get much simpler than this. So I would do this every single day. Click on the page, submit a proposal. That will open it up in a new tab. Come down here. You can choose your hourly rate, whatever hourly rate you want. Test that, put it in. Write your cover letter, answer these questions, and submit. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, so now you know how simple and easy it can be to go and apply for jobs and get these clients. You understand as well, all you need is 10 to 20 businesses and you'll be making $10,000 per month. Like I mentioned, an average client pays you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month. So 10 to 20 clients and you will be making 10 grand per month. So let's do some maths here. It's all good plucking these numbers out the air, but let's do some real maths right now and I can show you exactly how this is possible. So let's say you reach out to 300 people per month and close 2% of these people. You'll end up getting 6 new clients per month. Now, on average, I would say a more realistic closing percentage is about 4 to 5%. So this is, if anything, this is probably a bit on the low side. So, you know, I've done this just to really drive home how powerful it can be. So if you reach out to 300 people, which by the way sounds like a lot, but it's actually only 10 people a day. Everybody has got enough time to reach out to 10 people a day if it means changing their life. If you end up closing 2% of these people, you'll get 6 new clients a month. And in 60 to 90 days, you could be making a 6-figure income off the back of this. Now, in this video, I'm not going to dive super in depth on how to post, the type of posts that you can make. I was really just giving you an overview of the business model itself and really how simple it can be, and show you the maths like this to understand that you really can, regardless of age, sex, location, previous experience, you can go out and get paid to post on social media for your clients. And you saw on the video I filmed inside of my computer on Upwork.com, there is an absolute ton of jobs added every single day where these business owners are actively seeking your help. You know, the good thing about this business model as well, it doesn't require you to cold call, go door to door. You can simply create a freelancer account, log online, apply to the jobs, get them, and start posting right away. Okay, it's a fantastic business model. And, you know, if you consider you could get about 6 clients per month, even say 1 client a week, right? Within 60 to 90 days, you could be making a 6-figure per year income, hitting that 10K per month mark. So obviously I could only touch the surface in this video. If you do want a full A to Z on how to start your own agency, get results, scale the business further, and automate the whole process, you can check out my Social Media Marketing Academy program. That will be linked down below. just so you can take a look as well. I'm also going to link a page with all previous student successes, so you can see some of the other people, the hundreds of people that have gone through the program in the past and landed clients. You know, we've had people go on to land 4 or 5 clients in their first week of starting the program, and these are people that had no previous experience, no social media experience prior to that. I've helped people out in third world countries like India. I've helped people in London, the UK, Canada, people out of Africa, people aged 14, 15, 16, up to people 40, 50 plus. So this course really is for anyone. No pressure. All I ask is go take a look at some of the success stories down below, take a look and see if it's for you. And like I said, I could only really touch the surface in this video about the business model itself, but this training program gives you a full A to Z of everything for you to look at. So I hope you found a ton of value in this video, and I just sort of want to end by saying that, you know, anybody can do this, all right? Like literally anybody, any age, any sex, any race, anybody can do this, and the results from the program prove that, you know, you're not limited by anything in this business model. So my question to you right now is, what is stopping you from getting started? What is stopping you? And I guarantee the only thing stopping you, if you've got all these limiting beliefs popping up in your head right now, the only thing that's truly stopping you from progressing in your life and making this happen is yourself. So make sure to go and execute on what I learned, whether you decide to hop in the program or whether you decide to just go out and do this on your own. That's absolutely fine. I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you'd like some more in-depth videos on exactly how to, you know, create a freelancer account, how to optimize the account, and some more in-depth stuff like that, make sure to drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.